Thank you. Always easier to think on a full stomach. It's about that hour. I'm glad for an event like that outside tonight. The rain held off. This was a decent day.
Absolutely. And they had the covering just in case, because there is a lot of just in case happening with this weather.
Even this evening, I've been saying all week that I thought this evening would be our driest. I still believe in that.
Yeah.
The best evening, I still believe in that too. I also still believe that there are some spotty downpours around that we just can't shake the rain, and I'll show you those on the radar. But I want to jump ahead briefly here for a moment and talk about the weekend, because all week we've kind of been dealing with these run-of-the-mill typical summertime downpours. Not much of any real concerns aside from torrential rain, which many of us have picked up on this week. Over the weekend, there will be a little more wind energy. The atmosphere will be a little more energetic. Thus, there will be the potential for thunderstorms to pack a little more of a punch, especially with the potential for strong winds. So that's something to kind of file in the back of your mind, both for Saturday and especially on Sunday. And obviously, we keep with the localized flood concern threat. Now, what's happening at the moment? A lot of us are dry, but there are unlucky few seeing spotty downpours this evening still. Let me show you where they are. The north side of the 275 loop, if you're trying to head north up into Butler or Warren counties. And then there's one big downpour here dropping right towards the airport out of the Cleves and Addison area. So let's start up here. Hard to get out of this. Basically right along the 275 loop on the north end from Forest Park through the Tri-County area, back through Sharonville, over towards Loveland, Sycamore, Sims Township, the Montgomery area seeing rain, some parts of Deerfield Township. Unfortunately, Loveland even, and unfortunately, these are lined up basically from west to east. So it may rain for a little while in these areas, and a localized few could pick up some substantial rainfall. You are the unlucky ones because, as you can see around us, a lot of the area is dry. A few spotty showers tomorrow over towards Martinsville. So if you're up here basically near the 275 loop, that seems to be where kind of ground zero is for spotty downpours here this evening. The rest of the tri-state is relatively rain-free. I don't have a lot of rain for most of us tonight. Warm and steamy out there. Temperatures are in the mid-80s, but when you factor in the humidity, feels like it's closer to 90 out there. That's something that's not going to change through the weekend either. I mentioned the threat for gusty winds tomorrow from storms. There is a part of the tri-state that's under a slight risk, northwest of Interstate 71, but this will likely be the case not just tomorrow, but again on Sunday too. So here's Futurecast. Those spotty downpours will stick around a little while longer this evening, and then eventually they'll go away, okay? I don't have a lot of rain tonight, but as we head into Saturday morning, there will be a couple of spotty showers around. Not a lot, but a few of them. And then as we get into the afternoon, like clockwork, after lunchtime, 2, 3 o'clock, scattered storms will go up. Some of them will be noisy, could have gusty winds. They'll go until the sun goes down, 7, 8 o'clock, and then it gets quiet. Should be quiet overnight Saturday into early Sunday. Sunday gets hot and steamy, and in fact, I actually think Sunday may be our better day for severe weather, as we'll likely be tracking a cluster of storms that could have a punch of gusty winds with them. So an active and busy weather weekend is still ahead of us. But I'm going to keep impacts tonight from rain relatively low outside of those areas that are being hit hard right now. And then Saturday and Sunday, most of us will see some rain before decreasing rain chances next week. I mean, this is what a lot of us are seeing outside right now. It's just an unlucky few getting drenched. 84 is where we're currently sitting. So those spotty summertime downpours through sunset, and then you know the rule, it's quiet for the most part overnight. Humid, 72 for your overnight low. And then as we go into tomorrow, it's another weather impact day. With humid sunshine, scattered storms, could have a few early, most of them in the afternoon and evening at 86. So a little stormy tomorrow evening before the sun goes down. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Same deal on Sunday, but a little hotter, closer to 90 there. Sunday's a weather impact day. Maybe some early rain on Monday, and then it looks like we shut the rain off finally, only to bake going into next week. I mean, it will feel like a sauna by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday. Those temperatures aren't extreme. I mean, low 90s, we've been there before, but the humidity will be off the charts. It's going to feel like it's well into the 100s, and that's why we have the impact days next week.
All right, Kevin, thanks so much. Well, coming up.